In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix application error in Windows 11. Fix today here, let's begin. Start by enabling the required Windows features that many applications depend on to run properly. Click the Windows search bar and type Control Panel. Once it appears in the search results, open it. Inside Control Panel, click Programs, then select Programs and Features. On the left side of the window, click Turn Windows Features on or off. A new window will appear showing optional Windows components. Scroll through the list and locate the .NET Framework options. Carefully check the boxes next to both .NET Framework entries to enable them. Once both options are selected, click OK. Windows will now begin applying the changes. This process may take a few moments, so wait until it finishes completely. After the installation completes, restart the application that was showing the error and check if the issue has been fixed. If the error still appears, the next step is to update or install DirectX. Open your web browser and click the search bar. Type DirectX download, then press enter. From the search results, open the official Microsoft page for DirectX. Once the page loads, click the download button to begin downloading the installer. After the file finishes downloading, click Start if your browser shows the option, or open the setup file directly from your Downloads folder. The DirectX setup wizard will appear. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully as the installation proceeds. Continue through the setup process until the installation is complete. Depending on your system, you may be asked to restart your computer. If prompted, restart your PC before testing the application again. Once Windows loads back up, open the application that was previously showing the error and check whether it now launches correctly. These two fixes repair important Windows components that many programs rely on in order to run properly in Windows 11. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.